How to make a meeting invite template in Microsoft Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, let's go to the calendar. So from here, if you want to create a meeting invite, you can simply select like a time right here in your calendar. Then you can create the meeting invite. So let's say I choose 1 to 2 p.m. and then I click new meeting. And then from here, you can go ahead and put in the details. So for example, I can put right here progress report and then add the recipients right here. Like for example, I'll add my other accounts, and then you can put in the details of the meeting. For example, I'm going to put hi team. We will have a progress report later. Bring your document. So for example, like that. And then from here, you can go ahead and do more things. Like for example, if you need to do something in the scheduling assistant, like if you want to double check their schedule, and then you can go to insert if you want to insert some tables, some pictures, and so on. But after you have finished like doing your template, in order to save this meeting invite as a template, you can just go to file and then go to save as. From here, you will have an option to make this a template. So from here right now, it says save as type iCalendar format. So you just need to click on that. And then you need to choose this one, Outlook template. So just click that, and then you will automatically be redirected to the templates folder. And then you can go ahead and specify the name. So I'm just going to put progress report template. And then I'm going to put meeting invite template. And then once you're done, you can just click save right here. So now that specific invite will now be a template. So you can either send this immediately, or I can just close this, don't save changes, and then now I can go back here and create the meeting invite template. So you can just click new items. From here, click more items. And then from here, we can click choose form. And then here, we click this and then click this one, user templates and file system. From here, we will now have this progress report meeting invite template. We can click open. And then now we will have the meeting invite template right here. So everything is already included right here. All the details that you have did, like for example, the recipients right here, the title, and then the description, and so on. So the only thing that you need to change is the start time and end time. So right now it says 5 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. So I want to change this to what we have did earlier, which is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Click send. And then, so it says you don't have the meeting location. So I can just send anyway. This is just a test event. So now the meeting invite is created just by using the template that we did. And then that is it. So that is how we can make a meeting invite template in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.